Hello guys, I am Manav and welcome to the ninth session of this video lecture series, and in this part I will discuss what are the different UI elements present on the GitHub browser GUI. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, I'll show you this section of the browser GUI. In this section you can see different repositories that I have already created in the past. You can also click show more to see all of your repositories that you have created in your past. Okay, you can also view the teams that you have been added into. Moreover, if you'll go here, you can create new repository by clicking this new button. And if you want to find a new repository, you can simply type the name of that repository and you'll be able to find it easily. So coming up here on this search bar, here you can write the type of code you want to search for. For example, if you're looking for a login page or the code for a login page, you can simply write login page and all the repositories that have similar tags or the similar name will appear here. Okay. Moreover, what you can do is you can filter your search. For example, if you want a login page made up in HTML, you can click this tag. If you want a login page made up in PHP, you can click it. I'll show you. I'll just click it, and then you can see these repositories. It shows the PHP tags, which means the project or the application that is present in this repository uses PHP as a language. So it's very easy and it makes very easy for you to search certain projects built in certain languages. Okay, and these are all different filters which you can add. Okay, so moving on, I'll take you back to the dashboard and let's see this pull request button. If you'll press this, you'll be able to see all of your pending pull requests that you have made. So yeah, this is the pull request that I created in the last video, if you remember. So you can see all of the pull requests that you created, or if someone asked you a pull request, or what I can say is if someone created a pull request on your repository, they'll be mentioned in these tabs. Okay, so next is issues. These are some kind of problems that a repository holder can arise, and it can ask other people in the open source community to solve that problem and push the code with the solution to that problem. Okay, so I have not created any issues in any of my repositories. If I'll create an issue, then all of the people in the open source community can contribute to that issue and help me solve that problem. Now, moving on to marketplace, this is the place where you can find different tools and services to manage your repositories. For example, if you're working in a very big company or you are in a very big tech team, then you might need some bots or some applications to manage your repository. Or if you have a large number of people contributing to the same repository, you need to manage that repository. So you can get the tools and other similar stuff to manage your workflow. Okay, so these are different tools that you can add to your repositories. Then moving on to explore, as the name suggests, you can explore different repositories that are trending and different topics that are trending, that different events that are happening across the globe. You can see them also. I'll open it. Okay, there are no events right now, but if there are, you'll be able to see them. Then what you can see is this collections option. You can see different collections, that is, if I'll click music, for example, you'll be able to see all the repositories that are related to music. That means it's a collection named music, and all the repositories related to that topic will be available here. So this is the basic UI that I wanted to show you. Then if I try to show you the profile related UI, it is, if you'll click this, you'll be able to see your profile, your repositories, your organization, if you're added into some organization, your different projects. Your stars means, suppose you create a repository, just like on Facebook and Instagram, you get likes. On GitHub, you get stars. If you are given a star or somebody liked your repository, you will be able to see the stars. Then these are other general settings that you can see, general UI buttons. This bell icon, as you all know, it's very self-explanatory that it's the notification panel. You'll be able to see your notifications if any you got. Then if I'll take you to your profile, okay, You can edit your profile by clicking here. You can see your followers also. So these are the basic UI elements that I wanted you to get introduced to and get familiar with, so that you can easily operate on this user interface. And there's one very cool feature also that GitHub provides you. If you are a coding geek and you want a dark mode, it has a button over there and you can simply click this and everything will turn to dark mode. How cool is that? Okay, so everything becomes dark, and yeah, it makes sense for because you all are coders. But right now I like it in the light mode only. So yeah, this was all for the UI of the GitHub on browser. So now I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye guys.